The app is connected to a blockchain and registers the data using IPFS, which is an interplanetary file system that hosts my data through a peer-to-peer network and stores the hash of the data into the blockchain. That guarantees the integrity and immutability of the data. With that being said, let's get started. First, I'm signed up for the application. For that, I need to place some personal information like my name, email, password, and phone number. In the first access, I need to agree that I understand that Birdbox is not responsible for disclosing the recordings contained in the application. This provides a legal protection for the application and to comply with the Brazilian Data Protection Federal Law and the European Data Protection Regulation. To start a recording, we just need to click in the Start Recording button. Whenever I want to stop the recording, I just need to click in the Stop Recording button. Once the recording is finished, I can write a title and a description for the recording. But no worries, if the recording was stopped due to external factors, Birdbox will choose a default title and description for me. Thus, the recording will be stored in our system and its hash will be validated and inserted into the blockchain. Then, in my recording section, I can see all the recording's information, such as the title and description, the location of the phone during the recording, the battery level, the data and time, the duration, and the status of the recording. If the recording was stopped due to external factors, the status will be stopped, otherwise it will be finished. Then we can go in the settings section to configure the app. We can activate the silent recording, allowing the recording start through custom gestures, such as shaking the smartphone 3 times, or be initiated by smartwatches or some specific words. We can also configure the app to record the audio in the background. We can also configure the app to record the location of the phone during the recording and the battery level. It is possible also to send the recording through SMS, email, WhatsApp, and others, or just share the link to the recording. Finally, we can also add emergency contacts that will receive a notification with the link to the recording and also the location of the phone if the location was recorded. We are a Brazilian team focused on making the world a safer place. We are Birdbox.